Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Revdor Skincare. Yes, I know it has been a long time, but in my last video, I announced why I'm going to be off and everything like that. So yes, the wedding is done and I'm back. Okay, so it's the summer season, like we all know, and it's our mid-year sales. It started yesterday actually, and right now we're doing 10% to 20% off on all our products, right? Yes. So I'm going to be showing you some of the products that we have that we're doing our sales on, and I want you guys to take advantage of this sales. Yes, 10 to 20% off also. Usually my products are really not very expensive. Now imagine that's why we're doing a 10% to 20% sales on all items. How amazing is that, right? I know. So today I'm going to start with our glow soap. This is our glow soap, liquid black soap. This one glow your skin. The regular price for this was 8,000 naira, but we're doing a 10% discount on this soap, which will now bring the price down to 7,200. Yes, so grab it. You know you want your skin to glow, right? You can see I use this soap. See my skin without any makeup, no filter whatsoever, and I have this glow, right? I'm not going to do too much of explanation on all the products. I'm just going to show them to you and tell you the new prices, right? So that's for the glow soap. This is our numero uno whitening soap. I call it the extra whitening lotion, right? This one will whiten you fast. If you are one of those that want to lighten your skin really fast. No, it doesn't contain any chemicals. It's purely organic, but it works. Don't listen to those people that say organic products don't work. They do actually. Maybe they have the wrong formulation or the wrong ingredients or something like that. Yes, this is purely organic, no chemicals whatsoever, and it works. Okay, this one I usually sell for 15,000 naira, but the new price is going for 13,500. That's a 10% discount on this one. Grab it now. Don't wait till you hear sold out though. That's why I brought it to YouTube. Sales have been going on my Instagram page and on my WhatsApp status as well. So I decided to bring it here for those of you that do not have my IG handles or my WhatsApp status, right? Toners and cleansers. Yeah, the new price for these ones are 1,500. It's easy to get. My number is going to be on the screen. My IG handle is going to be there. Just send me a message, send me a DM, send me a WhatsApp message, and I'm going to attend to all your orders. Me, no staff is going to do it. I'm going to attend to you. Okay, forget the fact that I'm on honeymoon right now. All right, so these ones, they now go for, this is our cleanser and this is our toner. If you have sensitive skin, you go for this, and if you have tough skin, you go for this. 1,500 naira. How cool is that? Rush now. Okay, and our amazing pink lip balm. Yes, it's upgraded, and the container as well is upgraded. It's no longer in this container. This is my personal one I'm using, right? You can see my lips. I'm not wearing any lipstick. I usually don't even, I hardly ever wear any makeup these days. Yes, so yeah, this one I usually sell for 2,500 naira, but the new price is 1,700. Okay, it's now in a tube, lip gloss tube container. It's easy to carry around, so the men are not left out as well. Okay, so men, grab this opportunity now. It's very easy. You can just take it and put it in your handbag or in your pocket and go everywhere you want with it, right? It's now 1,700 naira. Also, our Snow White lotion. Yes, it's almost out, even almost out. Yes, but we still have in stock. Like I said, I'm doing this video from home, so these are some of the products I have in the house. I could not get the products from the store. Okay, so I'm just using the products I have at home to show you the new prices and the new sales price, and the products, some of the products we have on sale right now. Our Snow White lotion is the bomb, right? I sell this for 12,000 naira, but I'm doing a 10% discount on it. So I'm taking out 2,000 naira, and the new price is 10,000 naira. Grab it though, fast, before you hear sold out. Then I'll not be there. Okay, next is our face cream. Whitening face cream. It will whiten your face without any blemish. Trust me. You can see my face. I use my products on my own self. I use nothing else but Revdor products. Yes, I'm saying it again. I use nothing else but Revdor products. I'm not one of those that will come here and show you their products and then go out to buy other people's products and use on their faces and their bodies. No, I use mainly my products. My household use mainly my products. My husband, my sisters, everybody, they use Revdor products. So I will not come here and show you something and then go out and use someone else's product. Okay, so yes, yeah, that's the face soap. I sell for 4,000 naira for 50 ml, and now the new price is 3,600 naira. Okay, and this is our pimple away, okay, acne away soap. It's really nice. See my face? Yes, I only get these when it's that time of the month, right? This is great. It is organic, no chemicals whatsoever. That's what I use. See my face? This one just sprouted because it was that time of the month, and yes, I usually get them during that time of the month, and there is nothing, absolutely nothing you can do about those, trust me. Yes, so this is acne away. It is the bomb. It leaves your face really smooth, like pimple go see your face, they run. Trust me, this is really nice, right? It is really nice. I'm not even joking, I'm not playing. Try this. This is now going for 3,600 naira, right? How cool is that? This is 100 ml selling for 3,600 naira. Like, what are you still waiting for? Okay, isn't this beautiful? Scrub for all skin types, whether you want to whiten, whether you are dark skinned. Yes, let me quickly make this correction or disclaimer. I don't only make products for light skinned people. I make products for every type of skin, whether you are dark, or whether you are chocolate, or whether you are white, or you both safe. I dey make products for them. Yes. Okay, so don't go and say it's only whitening products she does. No, I do dark skin, ebony, and everything you can think of. Okay, yes, so don't say this one doesn't do, let me not go there. I do everything, so bring the money here. Okay, yes, so this is our scrub, and this is 250 ml. The new sales price is 4,200 naira. Grab it. It's very nice. This one will leave your skin feeling really silky and smooth, and yes, you can use it on your face as well. Okay, our sharp soap. This one is exfoliating. It will leave your skin really nice. It will take away every dead skin that you have. Take away all the dirt. This is nice, trust me. I can't go into all the details to tell you what these products contain, but when I say I use my product, you can see now, you can see it shows that it's something that I use at home. Okay, this is what me and my husband use. Yes, yeah, so I'm not going to come here and try to boo-boo you. See, like I said, I'm doing this video from home. Yes, so trust me when I say my products are 100%. 100% purely organic. I'll only do pro mixed for a client that insists on pro mixed products. Okay, I will not just make any products and pro mix them for you. All right, okay. And there's one more. Okay, yes. And this may be new, but it works, right? The full body cleanser. Yes, to just the way you cleanse your face, you cleanse your neck, you can also cleanse your body from your head to your toe. And yes, you can use this product for your face and your body. It is all in one, the full body cleanser. Yes, it's really, really nice. It would cleanse your skin of all dirt. For those of us that always go out, hustle and bustle every day. Yeah, I use it every day, but you can do 3 times a week depending on the user. Okay, this is going for 5,200 naira. It's really, really cheap, really, really affordable. Okay, and then I'm going to just tell you some of the other products that we have on sale that I don't have the pictures of right here. I have stretch mark and remover cream. Sales for that is 6,300 naira. I have the glow oil. Sales price for that is 4,500 naira. And I have the body wash. Yes, take away. It's the exfoliating body wash. The new price for that is 7,200 naira. I have Yoni detox pearls. Trust me, if you're a woman, you need this. 3 cleanses every month. Yoni detox pearls now goes for 4,250 naira. That's for 3 cleanses, for 3 pearls. Okay, it's now 4,250 naira. And the knuckle eraser set is now 7,650 naira. What else do we have? Okay, yes, that's all for now. In case you have any other thing that I don't have on my list or I have not shown to you and you think, okay, I have this skin issue, let me ask her if she'll have a treatment for it. Yes, talk to me on WhatsApp. My number will be there on the screen and it's also going to be in the description box. I'm going to leave my IG handle as well for you to reach me. Okay, you can talk to me on WhatsApp and on IG as well. Even on Facebook, I have a Facebook page. I'm going to leave all the description down in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Bye.